In this video, we are going to learn to build a Python program to calculate area of a hexagon. To start with, we are going to look at the equation of area of hexagon, find out what all inputs are required, get those inputs, do the calculation and print the output. The first step is find out area of hexagon. So area of hexagon is looking at area is equal to 3 multiplied by square root of 3 divided by 2 multiplied by a, where a is side. Let us take a value. Let's take if this is 10, then we are expecting output as near about 259. So the input is only one input. So to start with, our goal, this program is to calculate area of a hexagon. What is going to be input? Input is going to be a, that is the side. What is the equation? Equation is 3 multiplied by, you can say, square root of 3 divided by 2 and then multiply with a, and you can call it square of a. That is the equation. Now let us take an output. The output will look like, output would be area of a hexagon equal to, this is the output for a side equal to this side as input. This is going to be output. The example, if the input example a side is equal to 10, then the output expectation would be somewhere around 259.880. That is the current expectation from Google. We just found out. Now let us try to achieve this programmatically. The input is going to be a, is going to be float, input, enter the enter side. The equation. Now because we want to do square root, we'll have to use a library. That is nothing but your import math. That is the module we will have to use because square root is available with it. So we have area of a hexagon equal to, first is 3 multiplied by, because we want to identify the square root. So for that, math.sqrt, that is the function. Whatever we provide inside, it identifies the square root of it. So here it is 3. We have to divide by 2 and we have to multiply by square, and to do the square we have a function in Python that is nothing but power. So here if we say a, that is the input, and 2, that means it's going to calculate a square. So if you want a cube, then it's going to be power of a and then 3. Now here just one thing, because of the pandas, this will be executed first, so we want to avoid it, our equation. So we want to do first the multiplication of 3 multiplied by square root of 3, then divide this and then multiply it with a square. That is the equation. And now we print. The format is area of a hexagon equal to, we get curly brackets, area of hexagon for, we just copy paste from the above and replace this with A, and then we close this. Now we run this. So side, if you provide 10 as input, then it is calculating 259.807. So in this video we learn how to use square root, and we also used power function to identify the square. This is very helpful for other equations. Thank you.